In this video, we will show you how to replace the drive unit of your PUQ press. You will need to order a replacement drive unit with the code displayed on screen. The tools you'll need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat screwdriver. Start with removing the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Press the set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0 and wait until the display goes off. Remove the plug from the socket. Remove the rubber ground wire cover. Loosen the ground wire screw and remove it. Loosen the 4 top plate screws. Remove the top plate. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Remove the 4 drive unit screws. Unclip the cable connector. Loosen the ground wire screw. Now we can remove the drive unit completely. Great, let's install the new drive unit. Tighten the ground wire screw to the new drive unit. Reconnect the cable connector. And put the drive unit back in place. Tighten the 4 drive unit screws. Tighten the tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Put back the top plate. Tighten the 4 top plate screws. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put back the rubber ground wire cover. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Put back the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Test the drive unit on proper functioning with your portafilter. Let's tamp.